this video, we're going to look at the what-if analysis feature included in BlockSim. So let's consider this layout of our power steering pump, and let's assume we have created an alternative layout which uses two pumps. Okay, so what we want to do, we want to see what is the what-if analysis feature present in BlockSim that will enable us to explore the different results according to what we decide to exclude in our diagram. So let's analyze our data, and we can look at the, say, mean life, and the mean life is 5,892 hours. So this is our layout with two pumps, with basically a backup pump, as against the normal pump that we would expect, obviously with or the normal power steering system with a single pump, and in which case it gives us a mean life of 4,694. Now what we want to do, we want to explore the what-if analysis, and we use this icon here, set block fail. So for example, we disconnect a pump. So by doing that, by clicking on that, as we can see, it puts a cross over a block, and of course it bypasses, it completely deactivates this alternative path, and it completely deactivates the entire pump. So if we now analyze our data, we will obtain exactly the same results that we were obtaining with a single pump. One other thing that we can do, we can include an annotation. Okay, that's just basically an overlay block, and we can also include some formulas. Say for example, we want a mean life, so we want a pump mean life, and that is in hours. So we click OK, and we want to make some changes. So we click on block style, and we remove the shadow, and we also want this text to go down at the bottom, so under. And then perhaps if we want, we can even insert an image, and we take this image here. Okay, that's our image, and now we calculate. And we can see the software automatically calculates the results for our system, the mean life. We've included the pump, but effectively it is our system, and we can select one of them like we did before. We can put it out of action, recalculate, and we'll automatically recalculate the results. And then if we want to compare, so we remove this connection. So now we've got two pumps, two power steering system, a single pump and a backup pump. And if we want to compare one against the other on a more graphical terms rather than just a number, we go to multiplot, add overlay plot, and one of them tell us that the power steering two pumps has not been calculated, so it's not available. So we have to go back, power steering pump, and in fact we got the red mark that indicates that has not been calculated. So we calculate, and we can see now it's green, so we can then select it. So we select the overlay plot here, so we go to select diagrams, and now we got both of them available. And here is the unreliability, or we can look at the reliability. And as we expect, the power steering with two pumps is more reliable than a power steering with a single pump. So as simple as that. So we can see how some simple features enables us to do some inspection of what could be the results if we were to disable some parts of our circuit, and or otherwise inserting an additional part in our circuit, and not necessarily as a permanent feature. And also we can see the results graphically. As simple as that.